Imagine starting your day with a powerful, transformative practice that has the potential to manifest your deepest desires. Welcome to the world of the 3-6-9 Law of Attraction Affirmation Technique, a simple yet profound method to align your thoughts with your dreams. It's 6:30 a.m. You've just woken up, and the world is quiet. You open your journal and write down your first affirmation of the day 3 times. This is the beginning of the 3-6-9 technique, a practice inspired by the teachings of Nikola Tesla and the principles of the law of attraction. Nikola Tesla, the brilliant inventor, believed that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 held the key to the universe. This technique leverages those mystical numbers to help you focus your intentions and bring your desires to life. At midday, around 12:30 p.m., you take a moment to pause and reconnect with your affirmation. This time, you write it 6 times, deepening your connection to your intention and reinforcing your belief in its realization. As the day winds down, it's 9 p.m. You're ready to end your day on a high note. You write your affirmation 9 times, feeling the power of your words and the energy of your intention vibrating through you. With consistent practice, the 3-6-9 Law of Attraction Affirmation Technique begins to weave its magic. You start noticing subtle shifts, small opportunities, positive encounters, and a growing sense of alignment with your goals. This technique is more than just writing words on paper. It's about tuning into the frequency of your desires and believing in the power of your thoughts. By committing to this practice, you're not just wishing for a better life, you're actively creating it. Ready to transform your life with a power of 3, 6, and 9? Join us as we explore the science, the stories, and the success behind the 369 Law of Attraction Affirmation Technique. Remember, your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. Start today and watch the magic unfold. If you're looking to attract your desires and transform your life, stay tuned as we break down what this technique is, how it works, and a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. What exactly is 3-6-9 Law of Attraction Technique? Nikola Tesla, one of the greatest inventors and visionaries, once said, "If you knew the magnificence of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, you would have a key to the universe." This quote has inspired many to explore the power of these numbers and their connection to the law of attraction. The 369 affirmation technique leverages the vibrational frequencies of these numbers to help you manifest your desires. Tesla believed that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 were of great significance and held the key to understanding the universe's secrets. In the context of the law of attraction, these numbers are thought to represent a powerful sequence that can amplify your manifestations when used in affirmations. 2. How the 3-6-9 technique works. The idea is to harness the power of repetition and focus your energy on your desired outcome using affirmations. By repeatedly writing down and verbalizing your affirmations in specific sequences throughout the day, you align your thoughts and vibrations with your goals, making them more likely to manifest. The technique combines the principles of numerology, the law of attraction, and the power of positive affirmations. By consistently engaging in this practice, you program your subconscious mind to believe in your desires, thereby attracting them into your reality. 3 step-by-step guide to the 3-6-9 technique. Now let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to practice the 3-6-9 technique. Grab a notepad and pen, and let's get started. Step 1. Identify your desire. The first step is to clearly identify what you want to manifest. It could be anything: a new job, better health, financial abundance, or a loving relationship. Be specific about your desire and visualize it as if it's already happening. Take a few moments to close your eyes and imagine your desired outcome in vivid detail. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal and let that positive energy fill you. Step 2. Create your affirmation. Next, create a clear and concise affirmation that reflects your desire. Make sure it's in the present tense and positive. For example, if your goal is to attract financial abundance, your affirmation could be, I am financially abundant and attract wealth effortlessly. Remember, your affirmation should resonate with you and evoke a strong emotional response. This will help reinforce your belief in its manifestation. Step 3. Write your affirmation 3 times in the morning. Each morning, right after you wake up, write your affirmation down 3 times. This helps set the tone for your day and aligns your thoughts with your desire from the very start. As you write, focus on the meaning of the words and visualize your goal as if it's already accomplished. Feel the positive emotions associated with your affirmation. Step 4. Write your affirmation 6 times in the afternoon. In the afternoon, find a quiet moment to write your affirmation 6 times. This midday practice helps you stay focused on your goal and reinforces your intention. Again, visualize your desire and feel the emotions of having achieved it. The repetition and emotional connection strengthen your subconscious belief in your affirmation. Step 5. Write your affirmation 9 times before bed. Finally, before you go to bed, write your affirmation 9 times. This practice ensures that your last thoughts before sleep are aligned with your desire, allowing your subconscious mind to work on it throughout the night. As you write, immerse yourself in the emotions and visualization of your goal. This final step cements your intention and sets the stage for manifestation. Step 6. Consistency and patience. Consistency is key when practicing the 3-6-9 technique. Commit to this practice daily for at least 21 days. This duration helps solidify the habit and allows your subconscious mind to fully absorb and act on your affirmations. Be patient and trust the process. Manifestation takes time, and maintaining a positive and patient mindset is crucial for success. For additional tips for success, here are some additional tips to enhance your 369 practice. Stay positive, keep a positive attitude, and avoid negative self-talk. Your mindset plays a significant role in manifestation. Visualize daily. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your goal with as much detail and emotion as possible. Believe in your affirmation. Truly believe in the power of your affirmation. Doubt can hinder the manifestation process. Stay focused. Avoid distractions and stay focused on your goal. The more energy you direct towards your desire, the stronger its pull will be. Incorporating these tips into your daily routine will enhance your manifestation practice and bring you closer to achieving your goals. By harnessing the power of numbers, repetition, and positive affirmations, you can align your thoughts and vibrations with your desires and manifest the life you've always dreamed of. Remember, the key to successful manifestation lies in consistency, belief, and positive energy. Start practicing the 3-6-9 technique today and watch as your dreams begin to unfold. Thanks for listening. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more.